Bengal. Let's focus and talk about Maharashtra. Because as far as another split which is now concerned within the Shiv Sena, as there were a lot of rumors of defection, Shiv Sena UBD faction, however, has denied reports of any internal rift and speculation of 5 MPs breaking away from the party. And this is coming in from the UBD faction leader Sanjay Raut, who has dismissed the claims and asserting that all party MPs remain loyal to Uddhav Thackeray following the recent meetings that has been happening.
अभी हम ऑपरेशन वुल्फ करने वाले हैं। हम क्या डरने वाले लोग हैं? हमारे पूरे सांसद, पूरा संसदीय दल एक साथ है, एकजुट है, मजबूत है और मजबूत रहेंगे।
ये सरासर गलत झूठ बात। इस प्रकार की कोई जानकारी एक तो हमारे पास नहीं है। 4 दिन पहले ये सभी सांसद शिवसेना पार्टी चीफ उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने जो मीटिंग बुलाई थी उसमें शामिल हो गए थे और सभी ने उद्धव ठाकरे जी के नेतृत्व पर विश्वास व्यक्त किया। उसमें से कुछ लोग तो ऐसे हैं जिसने किसी की बेटे की शपथ ली, किसी ने भगवान की शपथ ली, किसी ने साईं बाबा की शपथ ली और आखिरी दम तक हम यहाँ रहेंगे, इस प्रकार की भाषा।
Well, let's connect with Arunil on this. Arunil, good morning. Right from Operation Bhediya to Operation Tiger, lot is happening as far as the political discussions in Maharashtra of the shifting political loyalties and also expansion of the party support bases ahead of future electoral contests.
Well, certainly yes. In fact, Sanjay Raut again getting into his showing his humorous side. In fact, when he was asked about Operation Tiger, he's saying that Tiger ko to behosh karna padta hai. Tiger needs to be made unconscious and then only you can operate him. And then he said that we are going to launch an Operation Wolf against our opposition, that is the BJP, also against Eknath Shinde as well. With respect to 6 MPs slated to leave Uddhav Thackeray camp, Sanjay Raut has completely denied everything, saying that in the Saturday's meeting with Uddhav Thackeray had called at Matoshri, all the 9 MPs of Uddhav Thackeray camp were present. Some of them were present virtually, some of them made a phone call to Uddhav Thackeray from abroad. Now, some latest information that I'm gathering, Amita, is that 6 MPs from Uddhav Thackeray camp are likely expected. Sources inform us that they are expected to leave Uddhav Thackeray camp and join the rival Eknath Shinde Shiv Sena camp. And only 3 MPs, that is Anil Desai, who's from Mumbai, Arvind Sawant, who's from Mumbai, and one Nashik MP whose name is Rajabhau Waze. They are likely to, they are expected to stay with Uddhav Thackeray. Uddhav Thackeray total has 9 MPs with him. Also, we understand that 6 out of those 9 MPs, 6 is the number needed to avoid the anti-defection law. So, 6 of those MPs are Sanjay Dina Patil, Om Prakash Raje Nimbalkar, Sanjay Jadhav, Sanjay Deshmukh, Bhau Saheb Vakchore, and Nagesh.
I think what you're telling us, Arunil, let's just break it properly exactly when it comes to the names that you have been talking about, this intensifying buzz over a possible split, even again when it comes to the UBD faction, and what is now coming in from the leadership saying that they've also called a party meeting of the MLAs in Mumbai on the 22nd of June. And this Operation Tiger, which is now being speculated with Thackeray himself expected to address the legislators and also outline the party's next course of action. And also another breaking update as what Arunil is pointing out through sources as far as the MPs who are likely to switch sides amid growing political buzz. Leaders like Arvind Sawant, Anil Desai and Rajabhau Wahe are also expected to stay with Uddhav Thackeray, and the developments have triggered fresh uncertainty within party's Lok Sabha ranks. So if you can help us understand number-wise, I mean, Arunil, how many MPs right now, how many MPs expected to jump ship, how many MPs are actually will remain with Uddhav Thackeray in his camp?
Well, the total number of MPs with Uddhav Thackeray are 9. 6 will be required to, if they want to defect. 6 is the number to avoid the anti-defection law. They can basically form their own group and come out of Uddhav Thackeray camp. Now, sources inform us that 6 are ready to leave, likely to ready to leave Uddhav Thackeray camp and join the rival Eknath Shinde camp. This is what Operation Tiger is, and Operation Tiger is slated or expected to be successful. How much ever denial is coming from Sanjay Raut or from the Uddhav Thackeray camp, we understand that 6 of the 9 MPs of Uddhav Thackeray are expected to leave him and join the rival Eknath Shinde camp. We gave out the names as well, and if that happens, whenever that happens, that will again bolster the number of the ND alliance, that is the BJP alliance at the center. In fact, Uddhav Thackeray has also spoken on
Let me get in a word from Shaina NC also joining in. Shaina NC, Operation Lotus or Operation Tiger or Operation Bhediya, it is difficult to understand what operation is underway in Maharashtra, but there are reports coming in that at least 2/3 of the Uddhav Thackeray faction MPs are ready to join your party.
Look, firstly, please understand, we are not poaching anyone. The popularity of Eknath Shinde is known to one and all. Every single day there is a Paksh Pravesh. There are people who come from different parts of Maharashtra because they realize that the Mahayuti is committed towards nation building and progress. So when you say Operation Tiger, I would say please don't use such words because that's not the focus of the Shiv Sena. The only operation we are focused on is the operation of development and Pragati. Operation Progress has been our only agenda. No point getting into any speculation. I just want to say that, certain parties may want to introspect, whether it's the Congress or the TMC or any other party across the country, where they realize that their traction is only reducing because today it's politics of performance. And if you look at Eknath Shinde and the Shiv Sena, the way we work on ground, that is the model that a lot of people need to emulate rather than sitting on high horses.
All right. Shaina NC, appreciate you joining us here on the broadcast. So saying that it is about Pragati, it is about the Vikas, that the Uddhav faction leaders are now identifying and wanting themselves to jump ship. However, troubles that seems to be mounting as far as the Uddhav faction of the Shiv Sena is concerned in this breaking update. Now, Shiv Sena MLC Kripal Tumane has also claimed that talks with Shiv Sena UBD faction MPs, around 7 of them. So there are reports of around 6 to 7 of the total 9. Operation Tiger, as they say, has reached the final stage. He says that the process is nearing completion and the MPs are likely to join with the move expected before the monsoon session of Parliament.
ऐसा है कि ऑपरेशन टाइगर के मामले में जो 7 सांसदों के साथ में हमारी चर्चा अंतिम क्षण में आ चुकी है। जैसा हम लोग ऑपरेशन करने किसी हॉस्पिटल में जाते हैं तो पहले इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया जाता है और वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन सारे रिपोर्ट्स आ चुकी है। अभी केवल ये डॉक्टर का अंतिम ऑपरेशन का जो दिन होता है, ऑपरेशन की अपॉइंटमेंट दिन आना है, ऑपरेशन के दिन आ जाएगा, उस दिन ये ऑपरेशन हो जाएगा। मानसून सत्र के पहले में ये हो जाएगा। नहीं, वो तो अभी हम लोगों की आपस में सारी बातें आपको बताना भी ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन वो हमारे साथ आएंगे, इतनी बात पक्की है, आ गए लगभग।
Now, as far as what's happening within the Shiv Sena UBD faction, Sanjay Raut once again has strongly dismissed the claims that has been made by the Shiv Sena MLC Kripal Tumane. You just heard him regarding contact with 7 UBD faction MPs, questioning his credibility and rejecting any possibility of a further split. He's also accused the BJP of repeatedly attempting to break the opposition parties, including Shiv Sena, TMC and the NCP.
कौन है आपको मालूम है? क्या नाम उसका?
कुणाल तुमाने।
नहीं, मैं उनको पहचानता नहीं। इस प्रकार की कोई व्यक्ति महाराष्ट्र की राजनीति में नहीं है। अब ये शिंदे गुट में ऐसे लोग भरे हैं, हाँ, वो भी जाकर बकते हैं। कौन तोड़ेगा? आपको मालूम है कौन तोड़ेगा? हम बैठे हैं ना। आप देखिए, ये 12 साल में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को यही काम है ना, उसको तोड़ो, उसको खरीदो। अब तृणमूल को तोड़ दिया, उससे पहले एनसीपी और शिवसेना को तोड़ दिया था।
So lots been happening as far as in Maharashtra over shifting of political loyalties and also expansion of party support bases ahead of future electoral contests. We'll get you more on that back after a short break.